Here is a video review about the AirPulse Pro Wireless Speakers. Hey everyone, and welcome to the Review Corner. Today, we're taking a look at the AirPulse Pro Wireless Speakers, a pair of high-fidelity bookshelf speakers that promise to deliver an audiophile-grade listening experience without the need for wires. High-end sound quality. The AirPulse Pro Wireless Speakers are equipped with ribbon horn tweeters and 6.5-inch woofers that produce crisp, clear highs and powerful bass. The speakers also feature a wide frequency range, from 40 Hz to 20 kHz, which means they can reproduce a wide range of sounds, from the deepest bass notes to the most delicate high frequencies. Designed by Phil Jones, the AirPulse Pro Wireless Speakers were designed by famed audio engineer Phil Jones, who has over 30 years of experience in the audio industry. Jones is known for his meticulous attention to detail, and it shows in the design of these speakers. The speakers are made from high-quality materials, and they are built to last. Cordless LR speakers with an array of input options. The AirPulse Pro Wireless Speakers are cordless, which means you can place them anywhere in your room without having to worry about running wires. The speakers also have a built-in amplifier, so you can connect them to your computer, TV, record player, or other audio device. The speakers also have a variety of input options, including optical, coaxial, Bluetooth 5.0 aptX, RCA, aux, and USB. Built-in amplifier. The AirPulse Pro Wireless Speakers come in pairs, and one speaker has a built-in amplifier. This means that you can connect the speakers directly to your audio device without needing a separate amplifier. The amplifier is powerful enough to drive the speakers to high volumes without distortion. 2-year warranty. The AirPulse Pro Wireless Speakers are backed by a 2-year warranty, which means you can be confident that they are built to last. If you have any problems with your speakers, AirPulse will repair or replace them for free. Overall, the AirPulse Pro Wireless Speakers are a great option for anyone who is looking for a pair of high-fidelity speakers that offer excellent sound quality, a variety of input options, and a built-in amplifier. The speakers are also backed by a 2-year warranty, so you can be confident that they are a worthwhile investment. Thanks for watching. I hope this video review was helpful. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below.